All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or afternoon, or whatever time of day it might be. But today, hopefully, that is going into here. Well, if there's the proper air gap between that and the clutch that's on there, I'm a little skeptical. Might be, might not be, but plan is that that's going in the car today. So buckle up, ladies and gentlemen, grab your popcorn, and hopefully by the end of this video something happens. If not, well, then you're gonna have to wait. All right, catch you guys in a bit. Okay, we got to do a measurement here
Of what?
the air gap between the slave cylinder and the thing. So I made this tool.
You made it. What the?
So you just gotta hold it here on the forks and grab a tape measure.
Where is it? Where's the tape measure?
I gotta get one probably. Two and a quarter. Yeah. 2 1/4.
Okay.
Okay. It's 2 1/2. And that was for this side here.
Yeah. Side of it. And then what? You minus it?
Perfect.
Say this.
Mint.
3/8. Thank the Lord. They told me it wouldn't need a spacer when I asked them. I'm like, I'm gonna be using this with a stock flywheel. Will I need a spacer? He's like, it should not. So he was right. Thank God for math. Okay, then let's put the transmission on. Just need a little dabby poo. Just so it slides in there. Okay. Okay, grab the other side. Okay. Wow.
Sucker.
Well, we know everything fits. That holds it all in there.
Holds what all in there?
That line
Oh.
goes up into
Oh.
here,
Okay.
like this. Okay. That's it. Now just put the elbow on. I have to get this part all the way from Germany.
What?
That little plastic piece.
Huh?
Because they sell them on Vauxhalls.
Jesus.
And GM owns Vauxhall. Perfect. That's it. Just stick it on. Where's the C-clip supposed to be? There. Oh, you gotta, you gotta sit it in the groove there. That's it.
Make it so easy, huh?
Oh,
Not
yeah.
to tighten anything.
Let's get her done.
Okay. You want to strap the engine down or no?
Sure. Sounds probably.
still using this piece of shit?
What? Yeah, it was good.
This thing looks fucking
It's just covered in oil.
musty.
You know how much a new starter is?
I don't want to know.
Exactly. So she's going in there and she's gonna like it. Hopefully. All right. Starter's in. Pass me a snip. I'm just gonna snip this tip off.
Why?
'Cause it sits in this hole and it's all rusted. It's got a crack.
Here. They get the biggest pair.
You said bigger's better.
Perfect.
Foreskin cut off.
Is that what they did to you when you were a kid?
That's what they did. They just grabbed the thing and just. No 1, 2, 3, go. Just.
It's okay. You don't need it.
It's extra weight. Throws off you. It throws the balance off.
It throws off your equilibrium.
Yeah. Look, see, Smirk, you can see all the rust. All the rust coming off and everything.
Let's see.
You can see all the rust build up.
I'll give you $1,000. You drink that right now.
How much?
1,000. Are you nuts?
You would die. Yeah, you would die.
You gotta get rushed to the hospital.
A little sip?
You would get the whole thing.
$1,000 from.
A little tiny dip?
You'll still get and you'll probably still feel ill.
You'll still get tetanus.
You'll feel like shit.
No, I have my fucking shot.
I don't suggest drinking that. I would drink it in the hospital waiting room. Not even, because by the time they see it's gonna be 4 hours.
You'll still be dead. Oh, who left that there?
What?
Come on, Mike.
I just got here. It's me, yeah. Oh, hold on. Whose fingers are blue? Check them.
Yours.
No, they're not.
You've been Smurfs.
Yeah. Smurf. Smurf juice.
Have it? Huh?
Yeah, I got it.
You should have painted this nice black.
I don't have any more black paint.
Oh.
It's okay. It'll probably come out again. I'll replace it for a ZZP one when it's in the budget.
The budget's gotta get up. We're a little low on the funds.
Yeah, you want to give me a 13 on my DeWalt gun?
Oh, there's big boy tools.
I said DeWalt. DeWalt. Yeah, you want me to get a tampon for your you or what?
Wow. Sorry, not everyone's got loads of cash like you. These ones will run. These ones will run again with that. Just one more clean. They came out pretty good actually. The insides aren't too bad. See?
Could be worse. The insides is all that really
Yeah,
matters.
that's all that really matters. The inside. I'll just run them through one more time. All right, engine in time. Okay, hold on. Let me get on this side.
Oh, push.
Let's go around.
No, you can go through here.
Go here. Actually, maybe not because the transmission's on now. You gotta come around. Or bring it in reverse and then angle it.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Bring it in
So it's gotta
reverse.
come around anyways. Are the wheels locked or unlocked?
Transmission needs to go on the other side. Oh, the wheels are free, no?
No. Now they are. Yeah, 'cause it's gotta go in
I
straight.
know, but
Okay,
lift the.
Mike, you got like 600 pounds on there. Yeah, hold on.
Watch your feet.
All right, ready, Mike? Ready. Hold it. Oh, easy.
I said hold it.
Holy shit! How easy do you think it is to hold this thing?
You want your leg?
Okay. Okay, come. Okay, we gotta lift the front, Mike. Ready? Okay. And push. Okay. Okay, Mike, pull the front to you.
Okay. Hold the motor.
Okay.
Oh man, the fucking.
All right.
Hold on.
I just
We're not
wanted the
gonna
wheels
clear
up.
it.
Might have to go higher on the car.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Did the jack lift? Lower it.
Gotta go higher on the car.
My god. This is
Ah.
gonna be in the way.
Undo it. Undo this clip. And just bring it over. Easy with that. Mike, that's metal.
Where the f you want me to bring it, Junior?
Hold on, I'm gonna jack it up. Just leave it like that for now.
Jack it.
This guy's just stretching the metal.
on.
Holy. Handling it.
Thing.
Holy shit.
All this talking, the car could have been jacked by now.
Move the radiator.
Lee, you want to talk to me?
Here.
That's the top.
For here.
Huh?
I need hose clamps on there.
Two of them.
Hey. Stop.
Hey guys, so I forgot to record the outro, but so basically a recap of what we did that day. This is just the day after. We've got the motor in, all the engine mounts, transmission mounts, some of the radiator lines were done. We got coolant hoses, vacuum lines put in. So I'm just explaining now, we're gonna be dropping the oil pan and putting the subframe on in the next video. I got all those metal shavings in the oil pan, so I'm gonna take it off, clean it all out really good, reseal it. You'll see all that in the next video, but thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.